These days you can find countless anti-aging skincare products in almost any grocery store, and even more options online. Their manufacturers promise creams, cleansers, and masks that are completely natural, extremely powerful, and sometimes even miraculous. But how much can you really believe these claims? When companies mass-produce beauty products, their main goal is profit. To reduce manufacturing costs, preservatives and chemicals are often added, which means the final product isn't always as natural as advertised. That's why Brightside has come up with a better solution for you. Number 7. Coffee and Milk Face Mask. Do you kickstart your mornings with a cup of coffee? If you're a true coffee lover, hit the like button right now. But did you know that your favorite drink does more than just wake you up? Coffee can also help refresh your skin and make it look younger. Coffee and milk for youthful, glowing skin may sound surprising, but it's absolutely true. Many skincare brands already use coffee as an active ingredient. It can help improve skin tone, reduce cellulite, strengthen hair, and boost circulation. Milk, the second key ingredient in this mask, is another skincare hero. It gently exfoliates, hydrates, and nourishes the skin. To prepare this mask, you'll need infused coffee grounds and milk, preferably raw. Mix the coffee and milk in a bowl, making sure the consistency becomes thick and paste-like. The recommended ratio is half to 1 tablespoon of milk for every tablespoon of coffee grounds. Stir until smooth. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will instantly look brighter and more radiant. Use this mask regularly and you'll notice long-term improvements. Number 6. Flaxseed Mask. Flaxseed is the star ingredient in this mask and gives your skin the hydration and firmness it needs. Rich in healthy fatty acids, flaxseed stimulates natural oil production, making your skin softer and more resilient. It also protects against environmental pollutants like dust and air pollution while locking moisture into the skin. For a youthful, plump, and firmer complexion, this mask is a great choice. You'll also need Greek yogurt and honey. The lactose in yogurt gently removes dead skin cells, while honey acts as a natural humectant. You'll need 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything in a bowl and apply the mask evenly to your face. If you want to avoid sticky fingers, use a face mask brush. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it dries, then rinse with warm water. Number 5. Almond Balm Mask. Vitamins play a vital role in keeping your skin healthy. Are you sure you're getting enough? Moms are usually right, so it might be time to listen. This mask provides your skin with essential vitamins it craves. Apricots deliver vitamins A, B, and C, which help improve skin elasticity. Bananas are rich in vitamin C and B6, giving your skin a natural glow. Your skin will love these fruits just as much as your taste buds do. You'll need 1 apricot, half a banana, and 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. Peel the fruits and remove the apricot pit. Chop them and place everything in a blender with water. If you don't have a blender, a potato masher works just fine. Blend until smooth, then apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eyes, lips, and nostrils. After 20 minutes, rinse with cool water and admire your refreshed look. Number 4. Strawberry and Egg White Mask. Are you a strawberry fan? If yes, this mask gives you another reason to love them. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that supports collagen production and helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Egg whites also help tighten and rejuvenate the skin. All you need are 3 to 4 strawberries and 1 egg. Separate the egg white from the yolk and discard the yolk. Mash the strawberries, whisk the egg white, and mix them together. Apply the mask evenly to your face. You may feel your skin tightening, that means it's working. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 3. Cocoa and Coconut Mask. We're not repeating ourselves, cocoa and coconut truly are a perfect anti-aging pair. When combined with yogurt, they form a soothing exfoliating mask that removes dead skin cells and reveals fresh, glowing skin. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, while coconut oil deeply nourishes. You'll need 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of plain Greek yogurt. Make sure all ingredients are at room temperature so the coconut oil doesn't harden. Mix everything together and apply a thin layer to your face, neck, and chest. These areas can also reveal your age. Leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes, rinse with warm water using a washcloth, and apply moisturizer afterward. This mask works well for all skin types. We're halfway through the list. Which mask are you excited to try first? Remember, these ingredients are meant for your skin, not your stomach. More delicious skincare recipes are coming up. Number 2. Avocado and Olive Oil Mask. Avocado isn't just great for guacamole. It's also amazing for your skin. Packed with oleic acid and vitamin E, avocado deeply moisturizes and strengthens the skin barrier while protecting it from toxins. Olive oil helps smooth wrinkles and restore elasticity. To make this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of avocado pulp with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Apply generously to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse to reveal smoother, healthier-looking skin. Number 1. Rice Milk Cleanser. Have you ever wondered how Japanese women maintain such youthful skin? Rice has been used in Japanese skincare for centuries because it's rich in vitamin E and skin-smoothing properties. To make this cleanser, mix 1/4 cup of brown rice flour with 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened organic rice milk. You can substitute water if needed. Blend into a smooth paste and gently massage it into your skin using circular motions, just like a regular cleanser. Rinse your face and follow up with toner and moisturizer. Try these natural beauty treatments and watch people be amazed by your youthful glow. Share this video with others who deserve to know these anti-aging secrets, and don't forget to like and subscribe The Tasty Truth for the healthier side of life.